Hello beautiful people, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video, we are going to take you to a major construction site in Ekwulobia town, that's in Awka South local government area of Anambra State. And it will interest you to know that Anambra State is beginning to take shape in terms of road infrastructure development. And before I proceed, this road, that's this lane we are driving on now, has been blocked for over 2 years because of the insecurity in the state. But as you can see today, this road has been opened for public use. And that means that normalcy is back in Anambra State. That means there is a sign of relief. It means a lot to everybody that have used this road or that's using this road currently. This is a sign that there is peace in Anambra State. This is a sign that normalcy is back to stay. This is a sign of growth. This is a sign of progress. So the Ekwulobia one-way lane is no more. Now the both lane is functional. In case you have not passed this road for some time, just so you know that the road has been opened for public use. So back to our video. Right now we are headed right into the Works Road. You can see this is the Ministry of Works Road in Anambra State, Nigeria. And there is a project that is being undertaken by the state government just right in front of the Ministry of Works. Okay, so we are going to go to this project site so you'll see what the state government is doing at this particular section. Yes, the Soludo administration is out and is actually doing this back to back in almost every town in Anambra State. The roads in Anambra State are beginning to become motorable once again. We are so glad that our roads are beginning to blossom again. Anambra State is beginning to become the light of the nation that it used to be. So this is the Ministry of Works, and you can see the heap of stones that have been heaped around this area. Okay, these stones are going to be used to firm up the road that's under construction. So we are going to go straight towards the road that's under construction so that you will see what is happening there. So right here is the Ministry of Works headquarters, Anambra State. And right opposite the Ministry of Works, there is this linking road that the state government is putting in place at the moment. So if you take a proper look at this road, you will see that it's a slopy road. Okay, the terrain is slopy. So there has already been a sand fill on this road. There has already been a sand fill on the road for it to have gotten to this extent, and then the stones will be used to firm up the road before filling it up completely. So this road is a very vital road in Ekwulobia town, and when this road will be completed, it will ease traffic on the major road. That's the major old road, and that's the Zik Avenue that leads to Amobia. It will ease traffic on that road. So people will now have, or the motorists will now have an alternative route to drive through whenever there is traffic on the Zik Avenue section of Amobia Road. So you can see that the road has already been sun-filled already. Though the workers are not in action today because it's a Monday. That's why they are not in action. But hopefully work will resume on Tuesday. And in no time, this road will take shape. So from this road, you can get to the correctional center in Awka. Yes, there is a linking road from this road to the correctional center Awka. And there's also a linking road into Amobia town. So we are going to go from this point to the end. That's the other point where the road ended. And they will show you the various roads, linking roads that it is connected to. So what this administration is doing is very good and very impressive and very, very encouraging. I'm so happy. I'm so glad for the work that the Soludo administration is doing in Anambra State. And I really pray that it will continue in this pace. And if it happens to continue in this pace, I'm telling you, before 3 years in office, Anambra will take another shape. And this is a master plan that, if eventually exhibited, Anambra would really develop immensely and speedily. Yes, it will bring about so much development in the state. And about talking about development, there are lots of things we need to discuss, but that will be maybe in another video. We will discuss about the master plan of the state government. Yes, there are lots of topics we need. There are lots of things we need to discuss about that. There is also the proposed 10-story international hotels that, as proposed, to be built in Anambra State by the state government. That also is a very important topic on its own. So there are lots of things that are coming up in Anambra State, and we'll keep bringing them to you back to back, live and direct, like always, so as to keep you guys updated on the current situations in Anambra State. And if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel so you get current updates from happenings within Anambra State and around Anambra State. Like this post, share this post, and also don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So right now, at this point, this is where the construction would end. And also, if you take this straight road ahead of us, you'll be going into the Amobia town. Yes, when you take that road ahead of us, you are going straight into Amobia town. And then when you take this road by the left, yes, when you take this road by the left, this particular road now, you are going straight to the correctional center in Amobia town. That's the Awka Correctional Center. When you take this particular road, that's where you're headed. Yes, well, and then when you take this particular road, you'll be headed into the town, as the Amobia town, the community. This is the road that will lead you inside the community of Amobia, and this is the major road under construction. So it's a very vital road in Amobia town. So if you have watched also this video up to this point, I want to say thank you so very much. Like, comment, and share this post. Subscribe if you have not done so already. And also see you on our next beautiful video coming your way. Thank you and remain blessed.